Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent in place specialist and a master instructor. When it comes to making improvements in our clients' homes, we know that they have differing needs, different budgets. Some of them are going to have a more urgent need, some are going to have a non-urgent or less urgent need. Some are going to have a progressive condition. We might do a little bit now, a little more later, as the condition demands that more be done. It doesn't all have to be done at one time. There's not a schedule, there's not a book, there's not a reference guide that tells us what we need to do at any one time for the client. It's up to them, what they want us to do, what they feel up to, what their budget allows, what they'd like to have done in their home, what they feel is the most urgent need that they have. So there's not a single agent-in-place solution, nor one that has to be done in a very compact period of time. We can spread it out as they would like us to do that. So when it comes to agent-in-place improvements, we have a lot of flexibility and a lot of latitude to be able to work with our clients as they would like us to do so. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.